So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to turn your text into a clean, easy to read list in PowerPoint, here's how to add bullet points in just a few clicks. So firstly, click inside the text box and highlight the text you want to turn into a list. Go to the Home tab and click the Bullets button. PowerPoint will automatically add bullet points to your text. Just press Enter to create a new bullet point and type your next item. Now, just click the arrow next to bullets to choose from different styles. And that's it. You can quickly create clean, organized bullet lists in PowerPoint to make your slides easier to read. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.